The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. You do it! Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. What's that, Emma? What is that? Emma, what does a monkey say? What does a lion say? What does a sheep say? What does a cow say? What does a cat say? Where's your eyes? Where's your nose?
Ears.
Oh. Where's your nose? Where's your mouth?
Mommy, ear.
Eyes, yeah.
Mommy, eyes. Mommy, nose.